Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I am Nafisha Faiza Marsha Aurum from SMP Negeri 1 Sukabumi, and today I would like to tell you a story about Nyi Roro Kidul. This story is one of the folklore in Sukabumi, Jawa Barat. Please enjoy.
Once upon a time, there lived a very beautiful princess named Dewi Kadita. Because of her beauty seemed like the sun that rises in the east, people known her as Dewi Srangenge, which means the beautiful sun goddess. Her father was the king of Pajajaran named Mundi Wangi. Although he had a very beautiful daughter, he always expected to have a son. He decided to marry Dewi Mutiara, and finally he got a son from her. Dewi Mutiara wanted her son to become a king in the future, so she must make sure for it. She asked the king to send his daughter away. Of course, the king did not agree.
It is ridiculous! I won't let anyone doing such a cruel thing to my daughter, said the king. One day, in a very early morning before the sun rose, Dewi Mutiara called her maid to send a black magician. She wanted the black magician to curse Kadita. I want her beautiful body full with scabies and itch. If you succeeded, I will reward you the gifts you've never thought before.
One day, in the morning, when Dewi Kadita woke up, she found her body smelled stinky and full with scabies and itch. Oh my God, what happened to my skin? My body, my face, and my smell. Mother, Father, help me. The king was very sad. He invited many physicians to cure his daughter, but nobody could cure his daughter. Day by day, he realized that her daughter's illness was not an ordinary illness. Someone must have sent her a curse or something. Dewi Mutiara always asked the king to send his daughter away. Your daughter will bring a bad luck to the whole country. And you, Kadita, you are not as beautiful as before. You cannot live here anymore. Go! Go away! Princess Kadita wandered alone. She didn't know where to go. Here we are, far from home, a little bit hungry and a little alone. But it's alright, yes it's alright. We can start the new. Can't go back, so we gotta go on. We'll stick together, staying strong. There's a very warm thought in my mind, and someday soon we're gonna find it. We're gonna find it. We're gonna find it. Almost 7 days she wandered until she came to the South Ocean. When she looked into the ocean, she felt so amazed. It was so clean and clear, different with another ocean that has a blue or green color. She jumped onto the water and swam. But out of the blue, when the South Ocean water touched her skin, there was a miracle. Her scabies has gone. Even more, she became more beautiful than before. Right now, she became a queen that we know as Nyi Roro Kidul that live forever. So everyone, for your information, one of the very famous beach hotel in Sukabumi has made one very special sweet room to appreciate her. So everyone, the moral value is we cannot be the person that full of envious resentment. Or simply, we need to be kind, loving each other, and have a happy life. I'm Nafisha Faiza. Thanks for your attention. See you next time.